Next, number 10. What is the fifth term of the arithmetic sequence 2, 5, 8, 11? So you have 2, 5, 8, 11. So you are asking the question is, what is the fifth term? So since this is arithmetic, the difference is plus 3, plus 3, plus 3. So the fifth term is plus 3 also. The answer is 14, letter A. Next, number 11. What is the sum of the first 10 terms of the arithmetic sequence 1, 3, 5, 2, and so on? So, arithmetic sequence sum. Okay, what is the formula in finding the sum? Since you determined already the first term, that is a sub 1 is equal to 1, and you need also to determine the common difference. What is the common difference in this arithmetic sequence? That is 2, because 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 2, 5. So the common difference is 2. Then, substitute now into the formula. What formula are we going to use? Sum of n term is equal to n over 2 times 2a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d quantity. Okay, so our n here is 10. So the 10th term. So that is 10. So let's substitute now in the formula. N is equal to 10. Sum of 10 terms. That's why 10. Then 2 times a sub 1 is 1 plus our n is 10 minus 1 times the common difference, which is 2. 10 over 2 is 5. 2 times 1 is 2 plus 10 minus 1 is 9. 9 times 2, 18. Okay, next. 2 plus 18, that is 20. So 20 times 5, that is 100. So the answer is letter D. Next, number 12. In a geometric sequence, if the first term is 5 and the common ratio is 2, what is the fourth term? Okay, so we have the first term, a sub 1 is 5, and the common ratio is 2. Okay, so what formula are we going to use to determine the nth term? So we use the formula a sub n is equal to a sub 1 times r raised to n minus 1. Okay, so what is our n? Fourth term. So n is equal to 4. So let's substitute now in the formula. So our a sub 4, we are looking the fourth term. A sub 1 is 5 and the common ratio is 2 times 2 raised to n minus 1, that is 4 minus 1. Okay, so let's simplify. 5 times 4 minus 1 is 3. Okay, what is 2 raised to 3? That is 8. Okay, 2 raised to 3 is equivalent to 2 times 2 times 2. That's why it becomes 8. Then 5 times 8, that is 40. So the answer here is letter B. Next, number 13. What is the sum of the infinite geometric series 1, 12, 14, and 1, 8, and so on? So this is an infinite geometric series. So infinite geometric series. So if we're going to find the sum, let's use the S is equal to a sub 1 over 1 minus r. That's the formula. Okay, so let's determine what is a sub 1. So the first term is 1. And our r is, okay, let's determine 1 plus 1 half. So just simply common ratio multiplied by 1 half. 1 times 1 half, 1 half. Times 1 half, 1/4. Times 1 half, 1/8. So the common ratio is 1 half. And then substitute this to the formula. Our a sub 1 is 1 over 1 minus the common ratio, 1 half. Okay, 1 over, what is 1 minus 1 half? That is 1 half. Okay, then, since this is a division of fraction, we're going to copy the numerator, then multiplied by the reciprocal of the divisor, that will become 2 over 1. So 1 times 2 over 1 is 2. So the answer is letter B. Next, number 14. Number 14. If the common ratio of a geometric sequence is 1 half and the first term is 8, what is the sum of the first 5 terms? Okay, common ratio, R is 1 half. And the first term is 8. What is the sum of the first 5 terms? So A sub n, our n is 5 kasi 5 terms. So what formula are we going to use? So let's use the formula S sub n is equal to A sub 1 times the quantity of 1 minus r raised to n over 1 minus r. Okay, so let's find the sum of the first 5 terms. S sub 5 is equal to, our A sub 1 is 1 half times 1 minus, what is the common ratio? 1 half. Our A sub 1 is 8. So 8 times 1 minus, the ratio is 1 half, raised to 5 over 1 minus 1 half. Okay, so that is our fraction. Okay, so this is 1 half raised to 5. So 8 times, what is 1 minus 1 half raised to 5? Or what is 1 half raised to 5 first? 1 half raised to 5, that is 1 over 32 over 1 minus 1 half. Okay, why it become 1 over 32? Because 1 half raised to 5 is equivalent to 1 raised to 5 over 2 raised to 5. So distribute the 5 to the exponent inside of the parentheses. That's why it will become 1 raised to 5 and 2 raised to 5. 1 raised to 5 is 1, 2 raised to 5 is 32. That's why it become 32 here.